Hello everyone, welcome back to Polly's World. As you can see in this video, I have this old wooden box with me. So I am thinking of a DIY project with this wooden box. So friends, in this video, I will try to modify this old wooden box into a gift box. And for that, I am starting with sanding of this wooden box with a sandpaper. I am doing this to make the wooden surface smooth so that further it will help me to apply color on it. So sanding of the wooden box is over. Now I will clean the remaining dust with a tissue paper. Now after cleaning the whole box, I will apply gesso primer on the surface. Use of the gesso primer makes the surface more absorbent and ready to accept any acrylic color. So here I have applied gesso primer all over the box, leaving the back side of the box that will be done later on. Now I will clean the extra primer that has come on the glass surface with a piece of cloth. Now I am using this matte finished chalk acrylic paint to paint the whole box. Friends, I am using chalk paints over here. If you like, you can use acrylic paint as well. I personally like chalk paints as it gives your surface a very attractive texture. And now in the video you can see all the sides of the box are being painted well with the chalk acrylic paint, and now it's time to paint the back side of the box. And again we will start by applying primer on the surface. Let the primer get dry completely. And then here comes the chalk acrylic paint. Now I will leave the box for some time to dry completely. So friends, finally painting of the box is complete. And now it's time to repeat the first step of this DIY project, that is sanding of the wooden box. Sanding of chalk paint will give it a fine and smooth touch. And gradually this smooth surface will help me in decorating this wooden box with transfer sheets. Now friends, I would like you all to have a close look on the smooth surface of this box. Here I have some transfer sheets, and now I will make some cutouts to decorate the wooden box. So basically in this DIY project you don't need to be an artist, means you don't need to draw, color or paint anything. You just need some transfer sheets, make some cutouts and transfer those sheets on the surface. Well, to transfer your design on the surface, you just need a smooth surface, little water, a sponge dabber and transfer sheet cutouts. Now I will put the cutouts on the surface and will transfer the designs on their places. At first, remove the thin film from the cutout and place it upside down on the surface, then apply little water all over the cutout. Make sure you don't apply more water because more quantity of water will destroy your design and your design will not get transferred on the surface properly. So take little amount of water at a time and just dab it with your finger all over the cutout. Do this process for at least 1 minute. After 1 minute, take a sponge dabber and dab it all over the cutout for another 1 minute. Once the design becomes translucent, try to remove the white film from the surface and you will see it will come out easily. And now I will give my design a final touch with the help of a dry brush. So friends, just have a close look on the design. The design gets transferred perfectly. And now my friends, I will repeat the process with the other two designs as well. And now it's time to leave your surface and let it air dry completely. After the surface gets dried completely, apply varnish on the surface. Friends, this step, varnishing, it is really very important. It will not only secure your design, also it will give a very good texture to your design and your surface as well. So here we go. This is the final look of today's DIY project. So I hope successfully I have modified this old wooden box into a beautiful gift box. So without wasting much time, let me arrange all my items into the gift box. Here, other than chocolates, everything is handmade and handcrafted. I have made a mini photo album for birthday wishes. Then I have made a wall hanging decor and some shaker cards. So friends, this is my way of wishing my loved ones on their birthdays. Let me know how do you wish your friends and loved ones on their birthdays by commenting on the comment section. So friends, I hope you liked this DIY project. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. See you next time with another DIY project. Till then, take care and bye-bye.